All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is Monday, August 21st, 2023. On this video, I'm going to a new customer, lives in my neighborhood, and let's just say that the houses that haven't been touched since they've been built, well, they're quite unique. You're about to see why.
Timer flash 7 times, BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing.
All right. We're going in there. All right, we have no water. All right. Here's our water main, by the way. There's our water main. 3/4 inch, and look, they even swedged it right there. Crazy. All right. We gotta go in there. All right. This is nuts, by the way. I got my knee pads on. I got my gloves on. All right. Just don't want to get trapped in here, you know. By the way, if this don't go viral, I don't know what is. All right, let's see. All right, looks like we have some type of extension. The original structure here. All right. All right, so we are above the master bedroom. I'm sorry, below the master bedroom. We want to go to a jacuzzi tub and a steam unit. There's the steam unit. All right, let's see. All right, our jacuzzi tub is right above us here. There's our jacuzzi tub, right above us there. There's our steam unit, Mr. Steam. That's a steamer. Okay. All right, let's get a little closer here. Cobwebs here. All right. Thank God I'm going on vacation tonight. Actually, this afternoon. And this is my only service call of the day. Let's see if I get in there. All right. There's the drain. All right. There's the drain. But we have an inaccessible motor. So, hold on. Let's see. What we have right here. Oh, God. Let's see. Let's see. There's the motor. Here's the fill for it. See that? Water connections. Here's our, looks like our motor is right there. Right there. See? So it's not moving the water. All right. No access to the pump. So she's gonna have to give us some access. Oh man. covered in stuff here, guys. This we may be able to do something with. Let's see what we got here. We have a steam mist model SM79, serial number of S7912821, manufactured date of 6/26, 1991. There's that steam unit. All right, so let's just see. Nothing coming out of the relief valve. 8 psi relief valve right there. Okay, now all right, we are on the other one. All right, let's take this cover off. See what's going on in here. I brought some tools. There's water. There's the drain. She wants to get the steam unit working. She's worried about that. She's worried about the tub. Let me get my screwdriver. All right, I removed the access cover, and you can see something has definitely burnt inside of here. Oof, yeah. So, not good. We have looks like a short right there. Right, a lot of charring action going there. The fuses, that first fuse is blown. So the easiest solution here and the most cost-effective solution would be to get a replacement unit. All right, that is the best bet for this homeowner. Right? Imagine getting this board, if you can even get it. This thing is this thing is over 40 years old, 42 years old. I said 81 on it, right? I said 81? Let's see. 1991. So we're 32 years old. It's time for it to go. All right. So here we go. We're heading back. Okay. What the fuck? It's abandoned wire. Okay. Good. Let's get out of here. Okay. Let's see. See how I feed you guys? Uncut, unedited, raw, bro. Raw. See, that's how I love you guys. I'm right relaxing on top of this piece of cast iron. See, like that. Man, this is rough. This is rough. Well, I am looking forward to Florida, though. Got that news on Friday. Passed that exam. Sure did. And I'm going to start doing some isometric drawing videos. Listen, I'm not the best, but obviously it was enough to pass. And if I can pass, you can pass too. So, over the next few weeks, I'm going to post some videos on how to do those isometric drawings. Okay? Let's go upstairs and give them the great news. Don't forget to brush your teeth. So we went into this crawl space because a customer has two issues with the master bathroom. Issue number one is that the steam shower doesn't do anything. And that's quite obvious because the control board had a fatal short. for lack of better words. The Jacuzzi tub, which it's by Pearl, by the way, and it's also from the year of Christ, 1991. The pump turns on, but it doesn't do anything with the water. So there's no access panel. But she wanted me to go into that crawl space because the electricians were there and said it's getting power. Well, they're getting power, obviously, but you have a problem. And we're going to open up the wall of the water closet. And technically, it's a water closet because there's a closet that has the water closet in it. So it's a water closet, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it's called. The water closet. And the other Mike will be doing that tomorrow. So I just wanted to make a quick little video. Because I believe in leading by example. I don't tell my guys, do as I say. I ask them to do as I do. And if I go into a crawl space, I expect them to go into a crawl space. If I go into an attic, they will go into an attic. If I will play in traffic, they will not play in traffic. If I jump off a bridge, that's how I was taught. Lead by example. So if your boss is having you do things that you know for a fact he wouldn't be doing, well, maybe you should find a different boss. Just saying like it is. And if you're in the Charleston, South Carolina area, or in the Palm Beach County area between Jupiter and Fort Lauderdale, and you're tired of working for a mediocre company, shoot me an email, mike@mikeypipes.com. And I think we can make the trades great again together. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting on a very limited basis until September 3rd, September 4th, my wife and I, we're going away for, 13 days. Sicily and Rome. We have a wedding in Rome, very close family friend, and try to make a good trip out of it. So I'll catch you on the rebound. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been an amazing 2023. Let's enjoy the next couple seasons together.